The management of Maryam Abacha American University of Niger, MAAUN Nigeria, has expressed deep sorrow over the death of its former student Sadiq Adamu Suleiman, who died on Friday the 9th of December 2022 following an auto crash. Late Sadiq was involved in an accident along with his father along Kaduna-Jos Road. Sadiq's father was said to have sustained injury and is currently receiving medical attention in the hospital. The condolence message was contained in a statement by the President, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gorzo, and issued to newsmen in Kano on Monday. He described the death of the deceased as a great loss not only to his parents but to the government and people of Kaduna State. Professor Gorzo also commiserated with Kaduna State government over the untimely death of the deceased, whom he described as a hard-working student. Indeed, every soul shall taste death. It was a great loss. We pray for Allah's mercy upon him, and may He also forgive his shortcomings and grant him the best of his Jannah. On behalf of the management of Maryam Abacha American University of Niger, I wish to extend our condolences to the parents, relations, and friends of the deceased. The management of the university wishes to also commiserate with the government and people of Kaduna State over the passing away of Sadiq Adamu Suleiman. May the Almighty Allah forgive his shortcomings and grant him Jannatul Firdaus. Professor Gorzo also prayed to Almighty Allah to grant the parents and the entire family of the deceased the fortitude to bear the great loss. The deceased, who survived by his parents, had since been buried in accordance with the Islamic rites.